In this video, we'll explain the differences between C, C++, and C Sharp. People would assume these C-oriented languages are bros for life, but they are actually cousins. And starting with older school, C is one of the most powerful languages possible. You can manage the memory and sort of connect to the CPU cores, but there is one slight issue. If you mess up, you'll end up seeing yourself banned or your system banned. That's because there is no protection like modern languages such as Java. Next one is C++. You can manage the memory, polymorphism, inheritance, and loads of other stuff. However, it's moody as hell, like emo girls, and one single error can lead to a big mistake. There's a saying that you can shoot your leg off in C easily, and you can shoot your leg off in C++ harder, but if you do it, you'll blow the whole damn leg off. It also creates both father and boy, which means creating gaming engines like Unreal Engine or Godot, and the bugged games like UBug ones. All in all, it's like a wild horse which needs taming.
You're a good boy.
If you want to see more coding speedruns, you must subscribe to Corerush. Last one is C Sharp. It's like that spoiled classmate at the school. For this language, everything has been prepared without difficulties like garbage collection, memory management, loads of libraries, development spaces like Visual Studio, type safety, .NET Core, which makes it easy to code programs outside the windows in Mac or Android. It is also affordable to create games with Unity Engine. What do we think about them? Well, it depends on your use.